and the first thing that you will see is your dashboard. On your dashboard, look up in the top right-hand corner, and you will find your name. Click there. Go to Settings, and you will find all of your customization options. In the header of your main screen, this is where you can find your synchro search, your single college lookup, tutorials, the help menu where you can contact us or get straight to our knowledge base, and the bell that will turn red when you have a notification. Next, let's look up into the top left-hand corner where you will find your quick list. This is where your students will stack in either alphabetical order or responsive order. We have a sample student account created for you already. Go ahead and start poking around in there. Your sample student will have a color coding. That color coding is attached to the student's grad year. By clicking the pencil to the left of the student's name, you will enter the biographical banners. These banners mimic the Common App and can be exported to the student's Google Drive at any time. You can close the biography by clicking the pencil again or using the Close button in the top right-hand corner. Let's take a look at the tabs. The first tab is the Counselors List. The Counselors List will not have any schools added to it yet. You will find the only round button in all of CounselMore. It is blue with an orange halo. Click there and you will find the search function, or you can add a college by name. There are 3,000 higher education schools in the database, and more are stacking every day. Looking for international community college or vocational training? Well, if you can't find it, you can also add schools to the database. Let's take a look at how you can bank your research. By moving to the search choice, you will enter the search screen and find gap year programs, summer programs, my database, and accredited degrees. You can search by degrees and the results will appear. You may select a school by clicking the gray box to the left of the school's name. When you are done with your results, you can close this screen and return to the counselors list by using the Done button in the lower right-hand corner. Compare data columns by using the College Data menu. There are over 300 data points for you to choose from. For the information that is not included in the 300 plus data choices, collect and save your own custom data in the Custom Data columns. You can also customize the app tracker using provided status columns or create your own unique app tracker tasks. After you have reviewed schools on the counselors list and wish to promote them to the students list, you will click the grad cap to the left of the college's name. You can view your student list in two ways: the grid view, where the data columns are, or the tile view. Parent and student list views have several areas of functionality. By turning the heart from gray to green, the school will be promoted to the app tracker. If the student likes the school or does not like the school, their opinion will also be registered on the counselors list. When applications begin, the process is methodically tracked through the app tracker. The colored status columns are where communication regarding each task is tracked until colored green. There are also admissions analytics for you to look at retrospectives year over year. To continue, subscribe to the single counselor plan. Members can access Google Drive integration and complete account customizations. Use the promo code EXTRATIME, 50% off your first month. That will give you 2 extra weeks to review the software. Our training programs are free, and so is our knowledge base and all of our videos. You can also reach support for a quick 15-minute tech call anytime. Promotional codes will be entered where you will see the message, "I have a promo code." Go ahead, click there, and paste in your code. If you were referred by a friend, you'll want to let us know, because your friend will be rewarded for making us a new friend. Now that you are a CounselMore member, it's time to celebrate and reap the rewards and flex your benefits. Welcome to the CounselMore Community Training Program. By clicking your settings in the top right-hand corner, the first screen that will open will be your training program board. There are 3 buttons included to the right of each training session title. One is to watch a recorded training. The next is to book a live training. And the third is to read step-by-step instructions. When you are done, click the Complete box. When all of your boxes are completed, you will receive a certification badge. Remember, we're here to help, and we're at your fingertips. At the top of your screen, find your Help. Click there and choose to contact us. Or click the tutorial for an easy tour around every page. You will find the compass symbol on every page and with almost every function. Live support is only a click away. Together we know more. Together we counsel more.